Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a widget to your home screen on your iPhone. So I'm just going to select like an app and press on it for a few seconds and then press edit home screen and then press the plus button on press the plus button on the top left corner of my screen. And then I'm just going to choose this notes widget, and then I can choose the size that I want. As you can see, I'm just going to choose this one. Then I'm just going to press add widget, and it's going to go on my sort of home screen. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!